Hi, my name is Bryson, aka The Master, and I'm here with a math story about how to figure out perimeter when you have a missing side. Let's jump into the story. So, my friend Larry and I were building a fence around his square vegetable garden. We needed to make sure we had enough materials, so we measured up all the sides. We got a total of 24 feet. When we got home, we realized that we forgot to write down all the measurements. But I remembered left and right were 6 feet, and Lonnie remembered that the bottom was 6 feet. But what was the top? How can you figure this out? Okay. The left and the right are both 6 feet, and the bottom is 6 feet. If we add all those up, we get 18 feet. So now we need to subtract 18 feet from the total perimeter, which is 24 feet. 24 minus 18 equals 6. 6 feet is our missing side. Oof, good thing we can figure that out. Another way we can figure out this problem is by remembering the attributes or qualities of the shape. Like our example, a square has 4 equal sides. So if one side is 6 feet, all of the sides are 6 feet. Let's try another one. Let's say we have this triangle, and the total perimeter is 32. The left is 10 inches and the bottom is 10 inches. But what's the right side? First, let's add 10 and 10, which gives us the sum of 20. Then we find the difference between the total perimeter and what we have now. 32 minus 20 equals 12. 12 inches is our missing side. I hope this helps you figure out perimeter when you have a missing side. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also visit us at mymathstories.com. Don't forget to get a copy of Super Geo and his math adventures 50% off with promo code MATHMASTER. Hope you enjoyed the video, but the Math Master is out.